If you agree with me that the method which you use in preparing your Christmas menus matters a lot, then stay tuned and be my student. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in once again. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Today's recipe is roasted chicken. Roasted chicken in a very special method of cooking. So if you've been asking yourself, what should I make for this Christmas? I've got your back and I want you to deliver this meal just as you are taught in this video today, because I'm sure you will love it. Now what I have first here is my apple and orange. Went ahead to cut it and then set that aside. Separately cut your carrot. You can go for any other vegetable in place of the carrot. You can go for broccoli, you can go for cauliflower, whatever vegetable you feel or your favorite vegetable. Just cut that and also set aside. This method also applies to goose, duck, or turkey. Today I am going for chicken. Traditionally, every year we go for duck or goose. Now today I will bring you chicken method and I bet you it was the best. It is available everywhere. It is very affordable. Now, the first thing you want to do is cleaning your chicken. After cleaning your chicken, you want to scrape the lap or the leg of the chicken, just as you saw on this video. Now, get your spices, any of your favorite chicken spices. You will go in with some amount of salt, depending on what your chicken spice looks like. The most important thing is majoram. I added majoram. You can substitute majoram with thyme, okay, and then add in some amount of white pepper. Now go ahead and generously marinate your chicken. After generously seasoning your chicken, you want to go ahead and fill in your chicken with the chopped or sliced apple and orange. Now, tying or binding the leg of your chicken is to help your chicken stay very firm. You can move around, flip in the oven without any part falling out. After which you are done with that, it looks super good. Now it is time to brown our chicken. Browning this chicken now is to give it that beautiful roast brown look that you want to have, because we want to grill or roast our chicken in the oven on a low heat. If you do it on a low heat without browning it first in the pan, you would not achieve this beautiful brown look. Look at this, guys, it looks so inviting. Now you want to flip or turn the chicken breast to the casserole, okay, so this way it will cook on its own juice. This is the most thick part of the chicken, so we want to cook it in its own juice. Now add in the leftover of the apple and the orange. Now add in some rosemary if you have any, some fresh rosemary, and star anise. The star anise is a game changer. So if you don't have star anise, you can add in just some drops of cloves or caraway seed. I added small amount of water, just some drops of water. Bring to the oven and roast. Now the first part is done, which is seasoning your chicken, fill it in, and then just give it a little bit of roast in the pan and hop in the oven. It is done doing its thing. The second part is the side dish. What is your favorite side dish? You can go with some potatoes, roast some potato along with your chicken, We usually go for some bread dumplings. It's very, very interesting, very delicious. All right. So today we'll be making some butter cloves onion rice. And for my onion cloves butter rice, I went in with some amount of butter. Introduce your clean washed rice. Stir until it looks very dry, well fried. Now you want to add in some water, season with salt. Get a half peeled onion. Stick in or pin in two cloves, not more than two, depending on the quantity of the rice you're going for. Introduce to your rice, cover up and let it cook until it is nice and soft. If you want to have bites on your vegetables like me today, now you will roast your chicken first. 40 minutes later, bring in your vegetables like carrot, broccoli, or cauliflower. Now bring it back to the oven and continue to roast for about 30 minutes again without letting your carrot or vegetables overcooked. Now, after roasting our chicken along with the vegetables for 30 minutes again, you want to bring out your chicken, flip to the other side, take out the juice. We need this juice for a nice gravy, okay? Take out the juice, add in some butter to your roasted chicken. You need this look. You want to have those shining, good looking chicken, roasted chicken at the end. Add in some butter, bring to the oven and continue to roast. On this part, we are ready. Our rice is well cooked. You want to get up the onion and cloves. If not, it will be too intensive. The cloves will dominate too much. Now, add in your sweet corn. Stir everything together. If you want to add any, stir together. Cover up and let it steam. That's all. We are done with the rice. Now, this is the fourth step, so please take note of this. If you were not careful about every other part, you should be careful of this part. This is the main thing here, the gravy. Now, I went ahead, introduced some amount of oil to my pan, add in some onion and roast until you achieve this nice brown roasted onion. Take your time to roast your onion, not on high heat, on a low heat. This way your onion will not get bitter, okay? So add in 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, just 1 teaspoon, depending on the quantity you are making, okay? And then you will go in with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It is better to adjust later than to overdo at this point. Now, after roasting that on a low heat, just to get off the raw taste of the tomato paste and cornstarch, you will declare with white wine. Just small amount, about 100 milliliter of white wine is perfect, okay? Then bring in your roasted chicken juice. Like guys, this juice is the best. Imagine the orange, imagine the rosemary and then the apple, the seasoning, everything. We are not seasoning this gravy anymore. It tasted fantastic beyond words, and we are good to go. So I added more of this juice, of the roasted chicken juice, to eat, just to have those beautiful consistency. And guys, voila, our sauce is ready, okay? I love to have that plain sauce. I love those plain sauce. Like I said earlier, guys, this is the main part. If you have the best gravy, you can be proud of yourself on the table. Okay. Now, this is what I mean by a nice brown, yummy, tasty looking gravy. At this point, it is ready. I loved everything about it. Set aside. Now, 1 hour, 30 minutes later, all together, we have our roasted chicken for Christmas ready. It is looking super good. All you need at this point is to take off the orange and the apple inside. I didn't eat that. In a good day, we could press everything together for a nice gravy. So we just did the easier version of our gravy and it came out absolutely delicious too. It is time for you to plate, guys. Just plate however you want to have it. This is all you could ask for a Christmas menu. Very simple one, no stress, but super, super delicious. You could taste Christmas. The taste was in this chicken. You could feel the joy and the love of Christmas in this chicken. So have your carrots round around and then your orange. I added some rosemary, some pomegranate, all that together makes it more interesting on the table. We have our rice at the side. We also have a beautiful gravy, which we did also to it. We have some salad. You can go for any salad of your choice. I went for some green lettuce salad with some pomegranate. And again, if you are the one that loves wine, don't forget to go for your white wine to pair all that together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell. You will be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much for liking. Don't go without liking. Share with your loved one. Leave your opinion in the comment section. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.